Hello everybody, and thanks for tuning in today to our Q2 video. Last quarter, we introduced you to our new values, the CoorsTek Way. And our intent was to spend the last several weeks updating those values with you and helping bring them to life. But with the spread of the coronavirus and the pandemic that ensued, that became our main focus. But now we feel like the time is right to reopen the dialogue around these values. As you recall, these values are centered around three themes: better today, better together, and better tomorrow. The 12 action statements that exist underneath them are designed to help us learn how to live and act with everybody around us. These values are not new. They're part of our family's history, they're part of our company's history, and they help inform and guide us on how we want to interact with the world around us.
Values really define us as a person and as a company. It's how our employees view us as a company. It's how we view each other. It's how our customers view us.
We've got a 100+ year history, and our values really do carry weight within CoorsTek. As we're launching our new values that have just come out, it's just an evolution as this company grows and matures and we move into different markets.
You'll remember from our previous video that we've chosen this time to refresh our values was because we're more of an international company now, and the way our values were discussed previously was difficult for international audiences to understand. And so we've reorganized the values into 12 action-oriented statements, easier to understand and put into practice.
Values, they guide us to where we need to go. They help ensure that we channel all of our decisions and our approach to business and our approach to how we interact with each other with a common framework for how we expect each of us to work and behave within the company.
Our world has changed a lot over the last several months. COVID-19 has impacted every single region in which we operate and do business. It's impacted our personal lives as well as our professional lives. I just want to thank you all for your continued hard work and diligence during this difficult time. Let's reiterate our priorities. It's to keep us safe here at work by following the protocols and procedures that we have in place. It's to preserve jobs across the world and to preserve cash. What we're doing is not much different from what many other companies around the world are doing. But what sets us apart is our values, the way in which we approach what we're doing. So let's spend some time and talk about some of the great examples that are happening all over the world. In Hillsborough, our employees put together care packages for healthcare workers. Vista organized a virtual Easter egg hunt. Korea has really led the way for CoorsTek, developing a lot of the protocols that we now use for our employee health screenings. In CCVP, we've had employees making masks for other employees. And we've seen many departments and groups across the globe hold virtual happy hours to bring their teams together for some fun activities. And finally, I'd like to thank all of you who have been able to contribute to our Employee Assistance Fund, Family for Families. During this very difficult time, Family for Families has been able to help over 500 of our team members by giving them additional support during this time. So thank you.
Better today, better together, better tomorrow. Going through all 12 of the values, and they're actionable. It's how are we going to live them every day, and how we can challenge others if they're not living them every day. It's important to our culture that we stand by our values.
We're excited about the next evolution of our values. Shortly, we'll begin training our leaders on the CoorsTek Way. So stay tuned for more information coming your way soon. And please, keep sharing all the creative ways you and your team members are living out our values. We want to see those and share them with each and every one of you. Thanks again for listening.